Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this Regal hair inspo that you need to try in DTI. So here we are serving majestic hair combos that scream elegance, power and pure slay. So if you want to know how I can create this hair combo, let me show you how. So there are 4 hair that you need to put on to create the previous hair. The first one, you can click on this hair and only use the bangs. So tap on only bangs and color it to the color that you like. So I'm going to just make it blonde. Then combine it with this updo in here. This one. And here, change the color. Same like the previous color and click on the wavy hair. Now put on this wavy hair, use the same color, and the last color that hair that you're going to use is under the curly hair, this one in here. Use the same color, and now your hair is done. You can go with like this, or you can also toggle this hair into only the bangs if you want to only simple look. So that's up to you. You can go with this or this. And so this is the hair from ballroom glam to enchanted court realness. These Regal hairstyles will level up any DTI outfits. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more DTI slayage. Bye.